This 4-bedroom home in Ocean Pointe is filled with upgrades including granite countertops, gas stove, new AC, and 23 PV panels. It's located in the popular, quiet Ocean Pointe area, great for families and working professionals. Enjoy the tour. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what your thoughts were in the comments below. If you want to schedule a private showing, I'm going to put up my contact information right here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really motivates me to put out more video tours like this one. Again, I'm Sandy from eXp Oahu. Hope to see you again soon.